Hello guys, today we have another repair at EcoTech. We have a Samsung Galaxy A16 with the screen damaged. We're gonna work on this repair usually an hour. No appointment required here after we remove the rear battery cover. As you see, then we remove the mid housing frame to reveal the battery, the cameras, the cables. We have to disconnect those cables, take it off, remove the old damaged screen, and as you see, everything clean, ready to put the new screen on. And this is the brand new screen we're gonna use. Just glue it back. This is the final results. Tested, everything good to go. Again, no appointment required. We open 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thank you.